Hello, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh الأخوة الأعزاء. Hello dear brothers, welcome. Today we are going to show you CapCut application, how can we just make our design for our channel or whatever that we want to make a design, and how to produce our nice and attractive video. Welcome to our channel, Teaching Technology. Please, if you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe and just press the bell and like, please, to support us. So CapCut, as we know, that is this is a sign just like 8 in English. CapCut, it is very easy, and it is full free, and very attractive, and very nice, and very simple. If you don't know how to design a video from the beginning, just here you can, after you just download it, it is free. Just you can go to Google, and from Google just type CapCut. Directly you will just find it and download it free. To start with CapCut, just here for your video from the beginning, just you can just make a video from your normal mobile, add new project. From here, just you are going to open this CapCut application. From the beginning, you will start like this. This is all the area of CapCut application. To know it perfectly, from the beginning, you have to know all the menu, just like you are entering some restaurant or whatever. You will ask for the menu to know the details of what they have. Here, this is a menu to help us what to know inside this CapCut. Actually, this three areas, three square here and there and here. This contain all the menus, and this is the area, the canvas. We can just add our video after we import it from here. And this is the details about the video or whatever we upload it or enter it here. It will appear the detail in this site. And here just will drag our video, our media as general, like the video or audio or picture or the text. All these things will, data types, will drag it here and then will arrange it. From the beginning, just you can press import to bring up here your to bring your video here in this area. We'll go there to bring anything from this place, just like this culture, African culture. I'll bring this or this one. Just I can import it here. Actually, this is myself here. This is long ago. For those people, I want to add something in this video. After I brought this, I can drag it here down to this area to start designing my video. For this video, what I want to do exactly, I want to add some text to give some title. For example, here just I can press this text here, because this is the media. From media I can import my video, and here audio, if you have recorded audio, from here just you can press it and bring it to this area. The text here, in this text you can add text. You have this is the default and default text, and we have here effect. That means you can see the types of this types of letters, this trending, and you can just when you press it here, it will appear here in this area. But you can drag it, and then you can observe after I drag it what will happen in this area. If I drag this like this here in this area to write some title, after I do this here, you observe here, this starts here appearing this to add some text in this area. Just suppose I write Tahir. That is just my name here. This is the text. The text from here, I drag it here. Then it will appear this area to write whatever that I want to write in the title. When I can choose whatever that type of text I want to add. And here I have so many options for this title. So many type of design, and just let's start from the first one, this one, and let us see whatever what you can do also here in this text before we do many adjustment like this. If you want to do something here, just I will ask, I will click here this area, because to work there here in this area like this, just I want to drag it like this and to increase the size here. Okay, I don't want like this, just I want to bubble here to add some another design like background for this name. Background, maybe just if I click this here, see what it will happen there. Just I can adjust it also, because I brought it here, I select it here to work here in this area. This is another so many type of design here, and you can just adjust it whatever the way you want. And also you can decrease the size, or you go to the basic to decrease it like this to become very small, or you can just increase it here according to that your what your wish, that you want to increase or decrease it. Okay, just go the normal one here, and then go to the effect. Another text will appear also here to change this. Yeah, the same one here, just but here directly and very fast will give you another option to change the text. But I can change this to another one to appear for me here. And this is effect, as I told you. Just in this side you'll find so many texts are there, so many type of texts are there. This is just simple. You can again add another one. In the text also have here animation. This animation, as you can see from here, just because if you want to this text to be animated or to be moving like this, for example, how to appear here, how it will appear after I do this. Just you can observe here, this is animation. After you run your video, it will be animated like that. Whatever that the type of animation that you want it, I press it here, and then I wait here to see this like this. This is animation. And here we have the tracking, and you have also text speech. If you want to just this text to be, that means voice, like children, they can just loudly they can just pronounce my name. So they just speak it when just directly you will hear that name. Maybe you will use this for the blind people like that. This is regarding the text. The text, how to add the text and how to apply it. Just you'll put it here. Okay, suppose I want to this. Let me start here and just observe something. See this here, because this area till here, it will not go with me till the last video, because just I put it here in this places. Yeah, here. Okay, just see, stop. Okay, suppose I want this name, my name, to be till the end of the video. Just I can put here, just click this again and drag this till the end of the video. This will be till the last video. It will be remaining on the screen, this one, because here if I make it here half, it will be just finished. But if I make it to the last of the end of this screen, it will be just remaining till the end of this screen. And this is just the first one, the text. That's the next video. Inshallah, we're going to just add this sticker, and stickers also you will find so many things are there, like subscribe and like also. These things we need to put it in our video directly, because when people just watch your video to make subscribe, and because you remind them. And this is also a like, if you want to them to do like for your video. And so many stickers we need to add them, and so many effects also here will also add them to our video. Thank you very much. This is teaching technology. Please also subscribe and just The bill also, the bill and like, because you'll support us and wait us in the second lecture inshallah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.